In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method called cash on delivery. In Odoo, we're going to keep this simple and quick, and by the end, you'll have a new payment method added and ready to use. This is helpful if you want to offer customers the option to pay when their order arrives, instead of paying online in advance. To begin, go to your Odoo dashboard and make sure you're on the main interface where you can search for different settings and features. From here, press the / key on your keyboard. This opens the search bar so you can quickly jump to the area you need without having to manually browse through multiple menus. Once the search bar is open, type payment methods. As you type, Odoo will show matching results. Click on Payment Methods to open that section. This page displays the payment methods that have already been added to your system, so if you've created any before, you'll see them listed here. Now to add a new payment method, go to the top left corner of the screen and click New. This opens the form where you can create a fresh payment method entry. In the name field, enter cash on delivery. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if multiple team members will be using the system. Next, specify the payment method and complete its details. Depending on your Odoo setup, you may see different fields here. The important part is to enter the information needed to properly identify this method as cash on delivery. If there are description or reference fields available, you can use them to make the setup more organized and easier to understand later. Once everything is filled in, save the payment method. After that, your new cash on delivery option will be added to the list of payment methods in Odoo, and that's it. You've successfully created a cash on delivery payment method. If you're setting up several payment options, it's a good idea to keep the naming consistent so your payment list stays clean and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.